Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Machine Learn, where we talk about machine learning. So in this video we are going to see how to view and select data in pandas. So without wasting time, let's jump onto our Jupyter notebook. We have opened our Jupyter notebook. If you don't know how to do that, kindly see my previous videos. In previous video, we have looked the different way of describing data. Let's have a look on different way of viewing and selecting data. Let's comment viewing and selecting data. Now press escape and M and press shift and enter. Now you can see a markdown has been added. Now type laptop.head and press shift and enter. So this head function which return 5 row of our data set. So why 5? So our data frame is having only 10 rows. There are data frame which have more than 10,000 rows. So it's being easy to view the data with head. If 5 row is not enough for you, you can type laptop.head and you can give any number you want in the head section. So you can see, like if you give 7, so it will return the 7 row of your dataset. You can also use laptop.tail to get the lower 5 row in your dataset. Like you can see on the screen, it has returned the lower 5 data of our dataset. So now we can do the same thing with the tail which we have done with the head. We can pass any number in the tail section and it will return the number of dataset which we have passed. Now let's see LOC and ILOC. So first give a comment LOC and ILOC. Now to study LOC and ILOC, we will make a series by typing name is equal to pd dot series and we will give the value A, B, C, D and E. So let's type okay, it's almost done now. Now let's print the name and let's see what's in there. You can see index and value there. Now if we want to change the index number, so we have to type in our series index is equal to whatever number you want to give, you can type here. Like I am typing 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So now if you run the code, you will see the index number has been changed. So let's run. So now you can see the index is changed to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I hope you got that how to change the index number. Now let's type name.loc and in bracket give 6 and see the output. So it has given the outputs as a C that is present on the index number 6. So yeah, that's good. Let's see one more. So type name.loc and the index number 8. So it will give the output D. Now let's see what is ilog. So comment ilog and then type name.ilog and in bracket give number 4. You can see the output that is E. But the index of E is 10. It means ILOC return based on position, not based on index. That is the difference between them. Now let's see slicing. So give a comment slicing. So type name.iloc and in bracket type colon 3. So this will return the 3 row of your data set. Now let's see the same thing on laptop dataset. So type laptop.iloc in bracket say colon and 3. So you can see it has returned the 3 row. Okay, now we see how to view single column. So let's type a comment, single column view. So type laptop in bracket, in double quotes type company. So you can see it has returned the company column with index. Now let's see how to filter column based on conditions. So type laptop, give a bracket, and in bracket type laptop again, and give another bracket, and in bracket type the column name and is equal to and the value, that is in our case is Dell, and press shift and enter. Now you can see it has returned a dataset with company value Dell. So that's all for the video. Hashtag keep coding, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button.